Greetings from Colombo Plan Staff College, Manila, Philippines. I am Dr. Hazrat Hussain, faculty consultant here. I welcome you all to this Government of India sponsored Capacity Building of Champion Leaders Development Program for Tibet Skills for Poverty Alleviation Project, a collaborative undertaking between CPSC and the National Skills Development Program, Ministry of Labour, Social Affairs, Martyrs and Disabled, Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. While being guided by the Millennium Development Goals of United Nations, different member countries have made significant progress by achieving the target of halving the poverty level by 2015. In fact, some countries have achieved that before the deadline. However, the remaining size of the world's poor is still very huge. Currently, it is estimated that over 1.56 billion people live on less than 1.25 US$ per day. Natural calamities such as tsunamis, earthquakes, droughts, internal and external conflicts, and economic recessions are continuously challenging the poverty alleviation efforts. A variety of initiatives and approaches are being advocated and practiced for the eradication of poverty by different development agencies, individual countries, and communities of practice. Poverty is considered the absence of opportunities, lack of ability to avail opportunities, and according to Amartya Sen, poverty is the lack of capability to function effectively in society. Inadequate education can thus be considered a form of poverty. According to Dr. Kwesimbing, age education is the key to any development strategy. Tibet is the master key that can transform the world of work and the economy, alleviate poverty, save the environment, and improve the quality of life. Therefore, education can reduce poverty in a number of ways. People that are more educated are seen to be more likely to get jobs, be productive, and be more capable of earning a higher salary. This brings Tibet to the central stage of poverty alleviation efforts. Skills are increasingly seen as critical to educational development, labor market inclusions, and economic growth, and making Tibet one of the 4 priority areas in UNESCO's educational program. Tibet reinforces the ability of youth and adults to cope with the changing labor market conditions and help to reduce the vulnerability of fragile groups. Tibet assists learners in acquiring skills, knowledge, and attitude needed to develop professional careers and enter the world of work while being active and responsible citizens and lifelong learners. Tibet, through its orientation towards the world of work and emphasis on acquiring skills, play an essential role in promoting a country's economic growth, contributes to poverty reduction, and ensure the social and economic inclusions of marginalized communities. On the basis of research in this area, there is an increasing importance attached to Tibet, which is reflected in various poverty reduction strategies adopted by governments in collaboration with international organizations such as ILO, World Bank, or OECD. CPSC is an intergovernmental organization for the development of Tibet in Asia and the Pacific region, heeds this advocacy and partners with different organizations and agencies to further the role of Tibet in poverty alleviation, decent work conditions, and economic growth. Through this in-country program on capacity building of Champion Leaders Development Program on poverty alleviation through Tibet skills development, CPSC contributes to the raising of awareness and build capacity necessary to put Tibet skills into practice for the common goal of poverty alleviation. Since Tibet skills are the core of poverty alleviation strategies, it shall become the platform for participants from the member country to contribute to enhance human resource development in Tibet through their occupations and other areas of lives. This program aims to provide resources, ideas, strategies, etc., to help those involved in the training and development responsibility to meet the learning needs of various institutions, organizations, communities, and individuals for dealing with poverty alleviation and meet developmental challenges of today and in the future. Enjoy your 5 days program on skill development for poverty alleviation and hope we will work together for the alleviation of poverty. Thank you very much.